This is SMD footprint. What are different layers in Allegro PCB footprint? So I'm going to tell. So these are PCB pads. So apart from these pads, one layer is silk skin layer. So that you can see. I'm going to give a different color for that. Silk skin. That is in, since whatever package details you want, you can get here in package geometry. So silk skin top, so you can see that this one is silk skin top layer. This layer is important, and whenever PCB is manufactured, then components outline, that means package outline is shown in silk skin top, so it printed on PCB board. Next one is silk skin assembly top. This one is small one, you are looking around. So I'm going to change this color also. So again, you have to go into package geometry, package geometry, and I'm going to give the color something, this one. So this one, you can see that this is assembly top. So uh, this is not being printed on PCB, so this is important for assembly only. So that is why it is moving across the PCB pad, you can see, but not silk skin. Since silk skin is going to be printed on PCB board, so that's why it may give creation while assembly. So that's why we avoid uh, assembly. Silk skin top should be away from pad. So these are two. One is silk skin top, second is assembly top. The third one is this one. This is called place bound top. This layer is very important for two reasons. First is if you need to give height, so you can give height from here. Go to option. Again, I'm telling setup, area, package height, select place bound top. Here you can see that point, it's almost 1 mm height of this component. So this is why we give place bound top. And second thing is that if any component is being placed near this area, so it will give error. So avoid any kind of error to keep placement safe. So that's why we keep place bound top, so that any component cannot be placed nearby. Another thing is 3D view. So you can see that this is 3D view. So whatever green color you are looking around, almost green, that is place bound top. So this is why we give this third layer. So these three important layers: silk skin top, silk skin top, assembly top, and place bound top. These are three important layers we give in PCB footprint. Apart from these pads, another thing, pin one marking, silk skin top and in assembly top also. So as you can see that in assembly top, we can give the pin one location unto the pin one only, not an issue for that. But it when it comes about silk skin top, so since again I'm telling that since it is being printed on PCB board, so that's why we keep little bit away from pad. So that's why we uh, we give. So these two another important layers: silk skin top and assembly top, pin number one, that is also included in PCB footprint. So these all three things are important layers which is being used in uh, printed circuit board footprint, PCB footprint, any kind of PCB footprint.